It took so long because there's police coming, so I went back over here. So we won't get in trouble, but there's some more over there, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to upload the other video on YouTube, but it's taking too long on the internet. So it might load later. As I do this, so I might post it later.
John.
Sorry about my brother, he's talking. I don't see him more.
Oh, I hear the fire engine.
Guys, there's fire station. The fire engine's coming. Because they're trying to catch people. Oh, there's some more, guys.
On the fires. They're coming this way. I can show them.
What kind are those?
They're coming down the road.
You know, the other fire, what kind is that?
I don't know. Look, they're there.
Guys, you see it, guys? There's fire engine. It was like over there.
Look. You see it, John?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
There,
pretty.
John. Look, it's right there. And then another one, guys. Look, another one coming. Chris, hey.
Yeah.
Can I have some?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can I have it?
I was trying to. Look, I'm eating ice cream. It's gone.
Oh, look, right there.
It's melting.
Hey, right there. Sorry, we didn't mean to be loud.
You did?
You hear the fire engine?
Yeah, so I was like, oh shit.
Man, there's gonna be more fires.
Why is there a baby gate?
I'm for the dog.
So does we get out?
We're sorry, we didn't mean to be loud.
No, it's all good.
We're just trying to watch fireworks. They're all over. You hear all the sirens? There's gonna be major fires.
Oh.
It goes.
You guys have a good one.
You too. Let's go, you guys. Watch. You're just talking now.
You won't come up?
No.
I won't go back. Watch over here. Get my ice cream. I don't want no more.
What?
I don't want
Come
no
on.
more. No, still eat a little bit.
Hurry, just throw it away.
Oh,
No,
bye.
there. And John, grab the rest.
I'm filming.
I don't want none. All right, give the rest to John now. Good, John.
The ice cream is good, guys. I didn't want no more.
Yeah, no talking, okay?
Okay.
There's another one up there. Hey, Oscar.
Sounds different.
He's going into high school.
His voice changed.
I know, he's stronger.
Huh?
He's going to high school.
His voice sounds different.
See if we can find any out here. Do we see any guys? I don't think there is no more. I'm gonna get sicker.
It feels
There's one
like-
way out there. I thought there's another one over there. Okay, we're gonna go. What time did you get? You need to get ready to go to bed.
I didn't want them in here.
What time is it? It's 9:48. So what's up for bedtime? Okay?
Yeah.
I don't think there's no more guys. Ending. I think that's about it.
I don't see.
A skunk.
I don't see any more.
Oh, I smell a skunk.
There's more back there.
Oh, there's a skunk over here, guys. Come on.
Stuff on me.
Yeah. Skunk. John, don't that.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, take the spoon
Okay.
and throw it away.
It's in the bush or somewhere.
Yeah. Let's go. Take this, John.
Huh?
We're gonna go home. I think they're about done.
No. We might go in a little bit, guys, because not that much fireworks no more. So I might leave in a little bit.
Last year there was more.
If there's more, I'll just film it with regular
there.
with music, guys.
There it goes, right there.
Why not this year, Mondo? Why not this year?
Why the one street? Look, you're done. hear a helicopter.
What did you for a kid?
Okay.
Where are those neighbors?
I don't know.
The little girl?
Yeah, just watch.
Oh. I'll be back. I gotta make a TikTok.